Hello, this is Lance Looper at Ratermann Cryogenics. We're installing bulk tanks and micro bulks every day, and I'm coming to you today with a safety tip. We think about the worst case scenario that could possibly happen in a cryogenic installation, and that's liquid traveling downstream of the vaporizer. One of the key things you can do now is install a new product that we have. It's called an LTAP. It's a low temperature shutoff device. And what it does, it actually keeps the cryogenic liquid from traveling downstream. Here's an easy installation for you for the LTAP. We've basically got our microbulk system that we're feeding liquid into. It's coming into the vaporizers. Liquids goes into the vaporizers, goes through a switchover, and we basically, on the downstream side, we've got an LTAP system. Got the low temperature probe set up in the system for minus 20, minus 40, minus 0 degrees. As the liquid or as the gas travels through here and it starts to see cold temperatures, this will start to shut off the regulator system. The pilot regulator from Generant will also shut off and shut the system off downstream, keeping any liquid from traveling downstream to the customer. Installed in a manifold system that you can get from one of your installers, or you can give us a call and we can teach you how to put it in yourself. But these will keep your system safe, keep your employees safe, and keep your install safe for all of your customers. Give us a call for the brand new product, LTAP from Generant. Thank you.